The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound social impact on people all over the world. The pandemic has led to widespread social isolation, economic hardship, and increased levels of anxiety and depression. It has also exacerbated existing social problems, such as inequality and discrimination. One of the most significant social impacts of the pandemic has been the widespread social isolation that it has caused. In order to slow the spread of the virus, governments around the world have implemented social distancing measures, such as lockdowns and quarantines. These measures have forced people to stay home and avoid contact with others. This has led to a significant decrease in social interaction, which has had a negative impact on people's mental and emotional health. The pandemic has also had a significant economic impact. The lockdowns and quarantines have led to widespread job losses and business closures. This has caused financial hardship for many people and has led to an increase in poverty and homelessness. The pandemic has also had a negative impact on the global economy, leading to a recession. In addition to the social and economic impacts, the pandemic has also had a significant psychological impact on people. The fear of contracting the virus, the uncertainty about the future, and the social isolation have all contributed to increased levels of anxiety and depression. The pandemic has also exacerbated existing mental health problems, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The pandemic has also exacerbated existing social problems, such as inequality and discrimination. The pandemic has disproportionately impacted people of color, low-income people, and people with disabilities. These groups are more likely to work in essential jobs that have been exposed to the virus, and they are also more likely to live in crowded conditions, which makes it difficult to social distance. The pandemic has also led to an increase in hate crimes and discrimination against people of Asian descent. The social impact of COVID-19 is still being felt today. The pandemic has had a profound impact on people's lives, and it will take time for society to recover. It is important to remember that the pandemic is not over, and that we need to continue to take steps to protect ourselves and others. We also need to be mindful of the social and economic impacts of the pandemic and to work to address these issues.